What is up, YouTube? Tyler here, back with another unboxing, and as you not see what it is, I purchased the Game & Watch Super Mario Brothers edition. So, love the colors on it. And here's the back. We have Super Mario Brothers, Super Mario Brothers Lost Levels, or Super Mario Brothers 2. We got Game & Watch ball and a time clock. And we even got Bowser. But, yes, I love the box on this. And, I'm gonna see if I can't slide it. Bless me. If I can get it. Oh. Crap. But I'm a box cutter. And I really do not want to tear this fine box. Crap. Oh wait, yes I do have it. My trusty box cutter. So, slide this through here. There we go. Now oh. Wow. Thank God I didn't have to damage that at all. But here we got ball on the cover. So here we have a Nintendo brand charging cord. Here we got a little booklet, user's guide. And as you can see, it's how to use it. It's a little bit of health and safety, all that good stuff. And I guess just pull that. I need to get this. Again, I'm trying to be careful not to damage anything here. Here we are. And here she is. Game & Watch Super Mario Brothers. And one thing I love about this, sorry about the camera and the reflection, but one thing I love about this is the color scheme based off the original Famicom. That is a beautiful touch. And here's the power button. Oh. Press time button. Like that little image we got here. Zoom in a little bit. And time. So we got the little clock. And I've heard if you hit something, oh, you press the time button and you can change the backgrounds. And it's 12 o'clock noon right now is what it's set. But I know it is 5 something. Give me a second. I don't care if I set the time, knowing 5:27. And also the screen changes when it according to time. So that's pretty cool. So let's see. I'm going to select Mario Brothers. And so far it sounds good and looks good. So that's a bonus. So I'm going to pause that and go to Mario 2 now. Just to start with Mario here. And God, I think this is pretty cool. We have Super Mario again. And we have ball. So that's cool. And what I've learned here is also, yep, the game pauses and you can just keep going. So that's pretty nifty. Now another thing I've learned here is there's secrets on this thing. Now I've heard about the secret images, which we've seen one when we started this up. And there's plenty more where that came from. But for now, I will say, turn up the, okay, that's the volume. And we got the screen. But yeah, this is my quick little review of the Game & Watch Super Mario Brothers. Hope you all enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.